Welcome to Licensing Professionals. In this video, we are looking at cocktail making, but not just how to make a good drink. We are looking at the rules, responsibilities and legal points every licensed venue should understand when cocktails are being made and served. Because behind every cocktail, there is more than just alcohol, ice and garnish. There is licensing law, correct measures, staff responsibility, age checks, refusals and customer safety. And one poorly served cocktail can lead to a refusal, a complaint, or even a license review. A cocktail may look creative, colorful and fun, but legally, it is still an alcohol sale. Under the Licensing Act 2003, that means the premises must be authorized to sell alcohol, the sale must take place within permitted hours, and the venue must follow the conditions on its premises license. Whether it is a pint, a glass of wine or a mojito, the law still applies. Before alcohol is served, staff should understand who has authorized him to make and sell drinks. Most licensed premises will have a designated premises supervisor, known as the DPS. The DPS is responsible for alcohol sales at the premises, and staff should know who that person is. Cocktail making is not just about skill behind the bar, it is also about responsibility. When making cocktails, measures matter. Spirits such as vodka, gin, rum and whiskey are normally sold in specific quantities, typically 25 ml or 35 ml single measures, depending on the premises setup. That means staff should use proper measuring equipment and understand the difference between free pouring, measured pours and cocktail recipes. A great cocktail should taste good, but it should also be served correctly. Free pouring might look impressive on camera or behind the bar, but it can create problems. It can lead to inconsistent drinks, overservice, wasted stock, lower profit margins and potential compliance issues. It can also contribute to unintentionally serving alcohol irresponsibly. If your venue allows free pouring, staff need proper training and clear controls. Because what looks stylish can quickly become risky. Cocktails often appeal to younger customers, especially colorful drinks, sweet drinks and social media style serves. But the same age verification rules apply. If someone looks under 25, staff should ask for valid ID. Do not guess. Do not assume. Do not take the risk. One underage alcohol sale can cause serious problems for a licensed venue. Cocktails can be stronger than they look. Some drinks contain several shots, and customers may not realize how much alcohol they're consuming. Bar staff should watch for signs of intoxication and know when to refuse service. Refusals should be polite, clear and recorded where required. A refusal is not bad customer service. It is responsible alcohol retailing. Not all cocktails are equal. A single cocktail could contain 1 shot, 2 shots, or even more depending on the recipe. Staff should know what is in each drink and be able to explain it clearly if a customer asks. This supports responsible service, customer safety and professional standards behind the bar. Cocktails can contain allergens. Cream-based cocktails may contain milk. Some classic cocktails use egg white. Some syrups or liqueurs may contain nuts. Wine, prosecco or certain ingredients may contain sulfites. If a customer asks about allergens, staff must provide accurate information. So staff should know the ingredients and know where to find reliable allergen information. A cocktail is still a food and drink product, and customer safety matters. Cocktail making is hands-on. Staff may be handling fruit, herbs, ice, straws, glassware and garnishes. That means hygiene matters. Clean hands, clean tools, clean surfaces and proper storage all help reduce the risk of contamination. A cocktail should not just look good, it should be safe to serve. Some venues serve flaming cocktails or use theatrical cocktail techniques. But anything involving fire, heat or unusual presentation needs proper control. Staff should be trained, risks should be assessed, and the venue should consider customer safety at all times. In some cases, this may also involve additional permissions or insurance considerations. A dramatic serve might look good online, but it must be safe in real life. Good cocktail service is not just what happens in front of the customer. It is also what the venue can prove behind the scenes. Training records, refusals logs, incident records, allergen information and license condition checks all help protect the business. If there is ever a complaint, inspection or license review, records can make a big difference. Cocktails should be fun, creative and profitable. But they also need to be served responsibly, legally and safely. From correct measures and age checks to allergens, refusals and staff training, every cocktail comes with responsibility. At Licensing Professionals, we help licensed venues understand their obligations, protect their premises license and stay compliant. Because behind every cocktail, there is responsibility. Need help with a premises license, variation, DPS change, compliance check or license review? Contact Licensing Professionals today. Do not wait until there is a problem. Protect your venue, protect your license, protect your business.